Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at object of preposition. Learn all about it. Let's dive in. Object of preposition. John sat under the tree thinking about him. The tree is a noun. Him is a pronoun. The object of a preposition is basically a noun. Noun phrase, pronoun or clause which is placed after the preposition in objective case. As objects of prepositions are commonly encountered and used in both writing and speaking. Mastering objects of preposition is essential for any learner of English. Go through the entire video to learn all about objects of preposition, definition, types, rules, and examples in simple language. This video covers what is an object of a preposition, object of preposition definition, object of a preposition examples, object of preposition types, rules of object of preposition, object of preposition exercises, and frequently asked questions, object of preposition. What is an object of a preposition? An object of a preposition, also known as prepositional object, is usually a noun, noun phrase, pronoun, or a clause that is used after the preposition in objective case, either in form, as is the case with pronouns, or in place, which is considered to be that of an objective case. Have a close look at below given examples. 1. He sat on the chair. He sat on the chair. 2. The bird flew away from the tree trunk. The bird flew away from the tree trunk. She is interested in him. Number 3, she is interested in him. Number 4, I'm not curious about what you're saying. I'm not curious about what you're saying. Explanation. Example 1 uses the preposition on, after which the noun the chair is used. Example 2 uses the preposition from, after which the noun phrase the tree trunk is used. Example 3 uses the preposition in, which comes before the pronoun him and example. 4 uses the preposition about, which comes before a clause, what you're saying. All the nouns, noun phrases, pronouns, and clauses which come after prepositions are called prepositional objects. Object of preposition definition in points. Object of preposition definition is given in points below, which makes it extremely to understand what exactly an object of preposition is. An object of preposition, as we have seen above, is usually, number 1, a noun as in, a dog is sleeping under the tree. Number 2, a noun phrase as in, he is in love with your most beloved daughter. Number 3, a pronoun as in, she is not interested in me. Number 4, a clause as in, I'm afraid of what you're saying. Number 5, a gerund, verb plus ing or gerund phrase as in, what do you say about watching a movie now? 6, an infinitive, usually to plus verb, as in, we couldn't do anything but to wait. Object of a preposition examples. Here are a few examples of object of preposition which show that a noun, noun phrase, pronoun, clause, gerund, and infinitive become the objects of prepositions. Examples: A. The dog barked at John. The dog barked at John. B. The cat is sleeping under your round table. The cat is sleeping under your round table. C. Don't shout at me. Don't shout at me. D. Don't listen to what he says. Don't listen to what he says. E. You can't move without telling the truth. You can't move without telling the truth. F. I'm just about to go. I'm just about to go. Object of preposition types. Here are 6 common types of object of preposition. Number 1, noun as object of preposition. When a noun is used after a preposition, it's called noun as object of preposition, as in, I look at John. 2. Noun phrase as object of preposition. When a noun phrase is used after a preposition, it's known as noun phrase as object of preposition, as in, he knocked at my front door. 3. Pronoun as object of preposition. When a pronoun is used after a preposition, it's called preposition as object of preposition. As in, he is superior to me. 4. Clause as object of preposition. When a clause, part of a sentence containing a subject and predicate, is used after a preposition, it's known as clause as object of preposition, as in, pay attention to what he says. 5. Gerund as object of preposition. When a gerund, verb plus ing, is used after a preposition, it's called as gerund as object of preposition, as in, after saying this, it is no use of your words. 6. Infinitive as object of preposition. When an infinitive is used after a preposition, it's infinitive as object of preposition, as in, I was about to tell you the truth. Rules of object of preposition. There are some basic observations when using prepositions and their objects in English grammar. You need to make sure that you use prepositions and their objects carefully. A preposition, as the name suggests, is a part of speech that goes before a noun or pronoun. So, you're required to make sure that you place the objects of prepositions after them. When using a pronoun after a preposition, make sure that you use the pronoun in objective case. Object of preposition exercises. Question 1. Select the appropriate objects of the prepositions used in the below given sentences. A. Who will go after blank? I, my, me. Answer. Who will go after me? B. Can you tell my name without blank me? Answer. Can you tell my name without seeing me? C. He's about blank to the market. Going, go, to go. Answer. He's about to go to the market. D. Listen to blank. Him, he, his. Answer. Listen to him. E. When blank it, you must be very careful. Do, doing, to do. Answer. When doing it, you must be very careful. Question 2. Tell which of the following statement about the object of preposition is true and which one is false. A. An adverb can be an object of preposition. B. A noun phrase can be an object of preposition. C. Pronoun cannot be an object of preposition. D. A singly used adjective can be used as an object of preposition. E. A clause can be used as an object of preposition. So this video ends here about object of preposition. Learn all about it. Thanks for watching.